This is the hardest question I've ever seen in a maths exam. It's worth 7 marks. A television costs £275. We have to work out the cost of 2 televisions. Now, of course, it was in an A-level further maths paper because it was just very difficult. First thing is this. We can assume pretty safely that the first television is going to cost £275. So we can say that the first TV costs £275. The trouble is, though, consider this real life. When you buy that first TV, the demand increases. Now think about what happens when the demand increases. Okay, the price goes up. Okay, we know that when you buy a stock, the price goes up. So what's going to happen to the price of the second TV? Well, the price of the second TV is going to increase. But then we have to realize that the TVs are price elastic goods, and because they are price elastic, well, if the price goes up, the demand is going to go down. And actually, what happens is we find by the time we go to buy the second TV, the price is actually averaged back down to 275 anyway. So we realize the second TV is also going to cost £275. So what we need to do to find the total cost, and please do this carefully, otherwise you will get it wrong, is to do 2 times 275. So we're going to do 2 times 275. Now the easiest way to do this is to write it like so. 2, and we're going to split the 275, again, please do it carefully, into 275. Now, this should be something that you learned in the first year of A-level further maths, splitting this into 2 numbers here. But I don't know, some teachers skip it because it is quite difficult. Okay, what we're going to do from here is expand these brackets. So 2 times 200 and 2 times 75. So 2 times 200 gives us, that is 400. 2 times 75 gives us 150. And when we add these together, again, being careful, we get a total of 550. So this is going to be £550. Honestly, this if I were going to set this question in an exam, I would give it minimum 9 marks because there's just a lot to think about. But guys, let me know. Would you be able to